Hi everyone, in this video want to talk about introduction to Unity. So we'll download the Unity and install, and also downloading the assets through Unity store. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing. So we are developing a 2D game in Unity. The game of the name is Creepy Cat. So before developing a game, we need Unity. So I already downloaded Unity Hub. In that, I installed it to Unity 2018.4.10. It's a version name, and just go to Chrome, go to unity3d.com. This is the official website of Unity. You can find all the things. Otherwise, just type Unity Hub download. First of all, you have to download Unity Hub. So just type here, and first link, just open the first link, and this is the link was already in description. Just find and download Unity Hub. After downloading the Unity Hub, just open this one, just install in your laptop. After installation, just open the Unity Hub. In that, you have to install Unity, which version you want. I'm using 2018. You can use 2019 or 20, whatever it may be. It's take time to open. Just download the Unity in Unity Hub. Yes, you can see, just add, just go to installs, and you can add the version which you needed. You can use 20, you can use 18. I'm using the 18. So this is the way to add. Just I'm using 18. Just keep next, and you can add these modules: Android build, Euphoria, and WebGL, and Windows support. And if you need documentation, of course you can add. Just done. It's take download. After that, like this, it will come. This is the shortcut of Unity. So this is the way of downloading the Unity. Just open this one. It's take time to open the Unity. If this is the projects which were done in before, just create a new project. We are developing a 2D game. Just select 2D template. If you are doing 3D game, just select 3D game. So just name it as Creepy Cat. My project name is, my game name is Creepy Cat. Of course my project name is also Creepy Cat. Just create a project. Yes, it take time to create a project. Just wait few seconds, because Unity will take all the bundles and all the inbuilt scripts. It will take, so it will take time to open the project. Just wait few seconds, it will open. Yes, this is the Unity interface. So you can see, this is the hierarchy window, this is the scene window, this is the inspector window, and this is the project window. This is the project window. You can see here, uh, you can see here, this is the project window. In project window, we can keep all the assets what you want, and it's an output. What is the console? We can say any outputs it print in it. Just keep the layout as a default. You can see the layout is a default. Just you can drag and keep everything what you want. You can keep here, and you can do that. Actually, Unity is an dragging. We can drag, and it's a customizable interface. You can see here the 4 by 3 interface, of course, and you can keep like a 2 by 3. Otherwise, you can keep tall. What you want, you can keep. I'll use the default layout. So you can create, just dragging this window and dropping here, this become a customizable interface. I'll keep it as a default. So this is the hierarchy window. What we are seeing, everything will be in hierarchy. So this is the scene window, and this is the inspector window, this is the project window. So these all the windows are there, and this is the game window. What we are doing, everything will be here. So this is the output window, we can call as. And this is the main camera. So main camera should be, it's a default, because uh, what we are viewing to scene each is called as a main camera. So main camera is a default for Unity. It's an if we delete the main camera, you can see no camera is rendering. So camera is very important to do Unity, to do any game. Why? Because the camera means it's a mirror of that. So while playing the game, the camera is also there in that game. So this is the way the interface. So I'll explain everything. Just go to hierarchy window, just right click it, you can see the cube, sphere, everything. Actually we are doing the 2D project. In 2D we can call as everything as a sprite. In coming to 3D, everything is called as an uh, game object. So that is only the difference. So this is the way, and you can see this is the version I'm using to 2018.4.10 F1, and of course this is personal, that means it's a free. We no need any license. And I'm in sample scene. You can see everything what we are seeing is called as a scene. This is the scene window. So the project name is Creepy Cat. So you can go for file, edit, assets, game object, component, window. These all are there in Unity. So now my target is to add an assets in Unity. So adding an assets in our scene. So just go to asset store. You can see here. Yes, you can find the asset store. Just in Unity, it's a default asset store. You can find lot of assets are available in 2D and 3D also. Just search 3D assets for free, and you'll get lot of assets here. Just what you want, you can download here. Then assets are free. Some assets have to pay money like $15 or whatever it may be. So now I want to download the Creepy Cat assets. It's an free assets. Keep one leaf. You can find the Creepy Cat. It's an 2D assets. You can see here. Just go to this. This is a Creepy Cat assets. You can find. Actually, I already downloaded. The download symbol will come. Just download the Creepy Cat and import to in your. Just click import. You can see this is the Creepy Cat assets in our folder. Just click all the check all the buttons already done. Just import it. So now in our game, I'm using these assets as a uh, to play and to develop the game. I'm using these assets. Just we imported our assets. You can see the folder here. Every asset was imported. You can see background, and you can see the bird. This is the player to our game, and you can see floors, and you can see of course items. Everything was available here, and the nature also available what we can use. So this is the way to import the assets in our scene. So just we downloaded the asset and we imported in our project, that's it. But we can see there is no in scene window, right? So I'll come with another video how to add assets into our scene. I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also.